If you ask me what freedom is, I'd say it's the euphoric joy I feel when it's just me and my skates rolling to the music that fills my soul. But what am I to do when freedom feels so far? I'll embody the freedom that's within me. Then there's the reality, the pressure from all the no's and don'ts, trying to extinguish my passion.
How long y'all got?
We just got it. They don't belong here anyways.
It's time for a new dynamic. But sometimes the ego trips, and I'm starting over again.
Y'all just got here too, huh?
What you say?
Never mind. I need a new plan. I mean, permission is only needed for those who ask, right? Well, I'm done asking. My freedom is wherever my skates are. The streets are my rink. The city, my studio. The sidewalks, my runway. I embody freedom everywhere I skate.